Hot Wheels is one of my favourite trails, and it's a great trail to learn on if you're a beginner. It starts and finishes at the trailhead, so let's go for a spin. Hot Wheels is a wide, flowy trail on fairly flat ground. It's 2.1 kilometres long and weaves its way through the wattle forest like a big snake. The trail has lots of big round corners and little bumps. It's the perfect trail for those wanting to build up their confidence. As your skills start improving, Hot Wheels has a few alternative lines that can give you the challenge of tackling more technical features, like this bridge. It's okay if you need some help. This trail can get busy, so make sure you watch out for other riders. Just a few more corners and we'll be back at the trailhead. See, I told you it was a fun ride. Should we go get some ice cream now?